Cella Ford, creating customers for life.
Come test drive the 2015 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, trip odometer, clock, child safety locks, power door locks, compass, power windows, power brakes, tachometer. Come see the car for yourself.
Cella Ford, creating customers for life.